future. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
No matter what. That's what I used to start my program. This is Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. Breakthrough Talk with what? Obuslala. You hear what I said today? This is original Breakthrough Talk. Today, not tomorrow, not next tomorrow, today. I'll be talking on the subject I title The Mystery That Is Within. The mystery that is within. You hear what I just said? I said today I'll be talking on the subject I titled The Mystery That Is Within. You have to know everything that is within you to see what will come out of you. If you know everything that is within you, when it comes out, become a life. Everything that is within you, when it comes out, it's like mathematics. To know your future, if you say there is future, for me, I don't believe in future because 10 years ago, up till now, I did not know we have the future. Entered. You hear what I just said? 10 years ago up till now, I did not know where the future enter. So I don't believe in the future, but to know your future, you have to go within. Like I said, it's like mathematics. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Automatically, you already know. 1 plus 1 is 2. So if you go inside of you, take that one out. Immediately you speak it. You say anything out of your mouth. Let me not go deep. Let me come back right now. I will tell you the mystery that is within.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
You are welcome back. Like I said, the mystery of within. Every day of your life, every day, you need to look within to see that which is inside of you. A lot of people look around them. They don't look within to see that which is inside of them. So I tell you today, every day of your life, when you wake up, you look within to see the one that is inside of you. Then you assess everything you need to assess on earth. The universe has a way of playing with a lot of people. And when he plays with you, if you did not recognize him, he will leave you alone and play with the next person close to you. And you'll be looking at the person operating with the power of the universe. You'll be asking yourself, how come this person can do this? I cannot do that. It's because you did not look within. That's the power the person used to operate around you. That power is right inside of you. So when you know those things that you need to know about yourself inside of you every day, like I said, look within. When you look within, everything will go the way it's supposed to go for you. But today now, a lot of people are living this earth. Like I said before, they are not existing. They are living, but they are not existing. Why is it like that? Because they don't know the power that is within them. There's one power that controls everybody, and that power is within. I was talking to my boys yesterday. We are coming from church. Me and my student, I was driving, and I told them something. They were asking me like, how can they see within themselves? I told them just one thing. That same thing I told somebody this morning. He looked at me and said, this guy has been teaching me some certain things for free. I said, this thing this person is teaching you for free, it's not for free. If the person said he's teaching you, that means the person don't know what he's teaching. Because how can you teach somebody what you think you know? You don't teach. And I say, what do I mean? I say, it's not teaching you. Because if you want to teach you, you have to pay. And I say, he's teaching me for free. So you know within yourself that if he teach you something, you need to pay. That's why we say he's teaching you for free. So you know to learn something, you need to pay to learn. Because in this earth, nothing is free. The guy is showing you what he knows. And I say, what do I mean? I say, he's showing you what you know. That's why you can access it for free. He's showing you what you know. So if you know something, that same thing will give you everything you need. Because to teach, that means you are ready to learn. I'm teaching right now, but I've taken my time to learn. I've paid a lot of money to go to different seminars all over the world to learn. And what I learned, I put it into action, and it has worked for me. Now I know them. That's why I'm teaching it now. So all I'm doing today now is trying to make you that is watching me right now, to know that society is inside of you. So if you go within, you will see that which you know. But if you want to make it perfect, then you go and learn some certain things about it that will make it perfect. Because somebody will tell you that no one is perfect. You understand? No, yes, no one is perfect. You understand? But part of you is excellent. Part of you, inside of you is excellent. So check that which is inside of you. Go beyond the surface of what you see physically. Then you begin to move in a way that people will look at you and ask you, what's going on with you? Because you know what's inside of you. That what's inside of you will be moving you. You're not the one moving yourself. Just hold on. Give me a second. I'll come back and tell you something you need to know about that which is within you.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. Every day. You know, I love repetition. I repeat word a lot so that you can get it. Every day within you is the power to control that which is outside of you. I say every day within you is the power to control that which is outside of you. You have to put that one in your head. That's every day of your life. There's something inside of you that can control that which is outside of you. Because a lot of people today are moving, trying to look for something outside of them to control what is going on inside. And if you generate anything outside of you and it contradicts that which is inside of you, you have a serious problem with yourself. A serious problem. Because a lot of people today, they have left home, but actually they have not left home. You know what I said? A lot of people today, they have left home, but actually they have not left home. Part of them is saying, I can't wait to go back home. I can't wait to go back home. Ask yourself, if you are that kind of person, you are not living at all. When you live outside of who you are, you begin to have this imagination as if like you are missing something. A lot of young people today all over the world, they are trying to make home. They want to make something and go back home. They want to make something and go back home. Why are you afraid of going out? Because you find it difficult to go inside and contact that power that is inside of you. Because if you have that power, you move freely. Anywhere you are will become home for you. You will not be having that imagination, telling yourself like, I want to go back home. I just want to succeed and go back home. I just want to succeed. I have family to take care of. I have this to take care of. Do you think those people that you are thinking of, if you have family to take care of, you understand? So, and the problem is that you think you can take care of somebody and you have not been able to take care of yourself. You know what I said? You have to care, but don't take care of. You know what I said? Let me put it in a simple way so that you can understand, because it's my responsibility to make you understand. Like I said, it's my responsibility to make you understand what I just said. You have to take note. Don't take care. Take note of what is going on around you. And how can you take notes? You have to come from within. That is the only place you can have access to take notes. Like one teaching I did the other time, I said what is called awareness. It's called what? Awareness. When you go within yourself, you begin to be aware of what is going on around you. So if you don't take notes, you will not see it from the point of view where you're supposed to see it. Because running away from home does not mean you have left home. You hear what I said? Running away from home does not mean you have left home. A lot of people have left home, but in reality, they are still at home. So anytime you see yourself thinking about home, you tell yourself like, there's something wrong with you. Now what is wrong with you has nothing to do with what you can see. So if you don't go with him to fix it, you have just one little problem. And you begin to build on your imagination. Yesterday, I was talking to somebody. And my friend in the Middle East, I was talking to him and I was saying, hey, Don, what's up? He was talking to me. I said something. I said, can you just tell me the definition of what you just said? I said, what do you mean? So you're telling me about you don't have confidence in yourself. I say, yes, I don't have confidence in myself because the one that's built me in his holy word. He said, curse is any man who trusts in man, who make flesh his strength, whose heart has departed. And I say, so where's your confidence? I say, my confidence lies with that which lives inside of me. And I say, wow, that was deep. He started telling me from his own point of view. that what is self-confidence? And I say, I'm talking about confidence. I did not say self-confidence. And I said, no, self-confidence. And I said, can you tell me what is self-confidence? And I said, self-confidence, a lot of people have low self-esteem. So when they have low self-esteem, they begin to tell themselves that maybe something is not working. They say they need confidence. They need confidence for what? There's a problem with you. Maybe how you are brought up, how you are raised up, the area you stay. Something has happened along the line that made you tag yourself with some certain name. When you lack self-confidence, you are not confident of who you are. You begin to ask yourself one thing. I'm introvert, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that. You begin to tag yourself with different names. You know why? Because you have not gone within yourself. When you go within yourself. So this guy started explaining to me. When he finished, he now made a statement. That's the purpose I'm telling the story. He said, I may be wrong. And I said, man, you are so enlightened. Can you repeat what you just said? And I said, he said some certain things. He said, I can't repeat it because I don't know where it came from. And I said, okay. You see that place it come from, go within. And everything you say, have you put them into practice for yourself? And I said, no. And I said, okay, I'll talk to you later. I cut off the call. Because if I cannot come in contact with where you're actually bringing it from, I don't need to hear you. So ask yourself, everything that you say every day, you will do. Is it coming from within? You know what? I will tell you something. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll talk to you. One particular thing from within.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
You know what I said today? You will come back. You know why I'm laughing? I'm laughing because this particular one I want to say to you now. This particular one I'm about to teach on is powerful. If you listen carefully, go back. We're listening. 1, 2, 3. The third one. Every day of your life. Every day. You need to see from within to understand yourself. It's all about yourself. One of the greatest teachers who has ever taught say love your neighbor as yourself. It's yourself first. If you try to do things for people to make yourself happy, that's yourself. If you are trying to do things for people so that they can be happy, that's not yourself. So when he said love your neighbor as yourself, it's all about yourself. Anything that will make yourself that come out from within. Because a lot of intelligent people that look around them, they are very intelligent. When you begin to look around you, you begin to read different kind of books, you'll be intelligent, but you will be wise. When you look within, you will be wise. You know what I just said? You may read different kind of book, everything, or you just look at me now and say, what this guy saying, doesn't know what he's talking about. Yes, all because you have looked me. You do not allow me to show you, introduce you to yourself. Go inside yourself. You will understand yourself better. Then you see me inside yourself, like I see you inside of me. That's why this video come in contact with you. If you are not part of me, this video will not get to you. There are a lot of people who have done something like this. It will never get to you. And there's a purpose why this won't get to you. Because you are not for everybody, but you are for everybody. You know what I said? You are not for everybody, but you are for everybody. So coming in contact with me shows that you are for everybody. Me coming in contact with you shows that I'm for everybody. So ask yourself every day, do you need to understand who you are more better? Because you cannot finish understanding who you are. Because if you try to finish to understand who you are, that means you have not even started living. So you have to do the inner work. You know what I said? You have to do the inner work who gives understanding to the outside world. So if you don't go inside yourself and do the inner work, you begin to live from the realm of, I don't know what's going on with me. I think I have money, but I thought money will make me happy. That's what you thought. Right now, leave your thoughts alone and go to the realm of thinking. So let's think. Just now I was reasoning with somebody. I said, hold on, let me finish what I'm doing. I'm going to come back and reason with you. We are in the realm of reasoning. We are not thinking. Because you don't need somebody to think with you. If you go within yourself, you begin to think, you begin to see different kind of things that you've not seen about yourself before. And those things that you can easily call problem, you see that they are not even problem. They are just imaginary illusion that come into your life, and you begin to use your eye to take that which you desire. No. Original desire will come to you on its own. If you are just doing the inner work, telling yourself, this is what I need to do with my life. This is what I need to do with my life. It's talking to somebody, heart talk to you every day. And a lot of people, they don't even listen to their heart again. That's why they are suffering. Because where your heart is, there your treasure will be. So if your heart has nothing to do with you now, ask yourself, are you living? Ask yourself, are you living? So you need to understand some certain things about yourself every day. And if you understand those things, you live in the realm of abundance. You know what I call? I said abundant. Everything you need to understand it from within. Everything you need, everything you want, you need to understand it from within. And when you understand from within, those ones that you think you desire the most, that did not come to you, when you go within yourself, you see the reason why they did not come to you. And the reason, as this reason, which reason did not know. You know what I just said? Reason has its reason, which reason did not know. So until you go inside your heart, you begin to see the reason why those things that happen to you, that you can easily identify as suffering, they are not suffering, they are blessing in disguise. So go within yourself and every day begin to ask yourself, what's going on within me? What's going on within me? Why is this thing not working well? Why is this thing not working well? Why? Because you are not meant to do that in the first place. You are not meant to do this. You are meant to do this. So you focus your attention on this particular one. You know what? Like I say all the time, I still have much to say, but you cannot be there now. I'll come back in the next episode and shine light more on this. So take care.